Mousy, Mama. Okay. Here we are at the animal hospital. About to unbox this FLUVAL CHI. I got it at PetSmart. It was about $55. Here we go. Something hiding underneath it. Oh, okay, natural fin. Hey, Mousy. Natural fin water conditioner? Oh no. That's that cyclone bacteria. Some stones. Manuals, user guide. Come on. Come on. Good girl. You're a good Mousy. I'm gonna need 2 hands for this. And there's the aquarium. I guess everything I need is in here. The aquarium. It's, what is it? 5 gallons. This has all the gizmo gadgets. And the filter. There's the filter chamber there. Another filter part. Guess everything I need, and the light. And that is Mousy. Say hi, Mousy. Mousy. And there's Momo. Hey, little girl. Momo. Okay. And I guess that's it. I'll do another video when I set it up here at the animal hospital. Let's take a look. There's my little tank. Momo. There it is. Woodlawn Animal Hospital. Talk to y'all later.